Tired of juggling countless tracking codes directly on your WordPress site? Then buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly connect your WordPress website to Google Tag Manager, unlocking a world of simplified analytics and marketing. First, let's explore the plugin method. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Then click Add New in the search bar. Type Google Tag Manager. You'll see a few options. A popular choice is GTM for WP. Click Install Now and then Activate. Now, find the plugin settings. It's usually under Settings or in the Installed Plugins list. You'll need your Google Tag Manager ID, which looks like GTM XXXXXX. To find that, hop over to your Google Tag Manager account. It's prominently displayed in the top right corner of the interface. Copy that ID. Now go back to your WordPress plugin settings and paste the ID into the designated field. Save your changes. And congratulations, your site is now connected via the plugin. Prefer the manual approach? No problem. Navigate to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Be extremely careful here. Now locate your theme's header file. Google Tag Manager provides two snippets of code, one for the head greater than section and one for the body. Paste the head snippet immediately after the opening head tag in your header file. Then, paste the body snippet immediately after the opening body tag. Click Update File. Regardless of the method you choose, head back to Google Tag Manager and enter preview mode to verify the connection. If you see your website loading in the preview pane, you're all set. Now you can manage all your tracking scripts from one place, making website analytics a breeze.